Hey everybody, welcome back to the Middle of the Magic Travel YouTube channel. You might have heard that if you want to visit a theme park now at Walt Disney World, you're going to need an advanced park reservation. And there's a new system and a whole new way to make sure that you can reserve these park entrances and be ready for your Walt Disney World vacation. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the new system and make sure that you're ready for a magical vacation. Check it out. So this is what it looks like when you get to the homepage at the Walt Disney World website. You're going to go down on this drop-down menu to where it says Disney Park Pass System. On the right, you're going to click Make a Disney Park Pass Reservation, this blue rectangle. Then you'll log in with your Disney email address or username and your My Disney Experience password. This is also the same as your Disney Plus password if that applies. Then it will load a screen that shows all your friends and family that are linked in My Disney Experience. And it'll show you as well. You're going to select all the friends and family that you want to book on the park or in the park for that day. It'll bring up this calendar and you can see all the days in the month. Click on the day that you'd like to book and then it'll show you the parks that are available. In this case, all the parks are available for that day. You click on the park you want, you select your arrival window, which is the park hours for the day. Make sure that you read through the COVID-19 waiver information. Close it out. Confirm that you've read and agreed. And then you're confirmed. And that's it. It's pretty quick.